Kariuki ndi mama wa KK na nduguthoma Rugano na lugha ya Gikuyu. Rugano rwa mwendo ni ireza Kariuki wa Ithira. Mwendo ni ireza Kariuki wa Ithira aciaritwo itura-ini ria Githirio ni Rari sub county Kiambu county kuri mweri 11 wa 10 mwaka-ini wa 1999 ni aciari ake Dorokasi wa Ithira na POC Ndoro maciaranĩirwo na Mĩrĩ Mweni. Ũnini wake mwendo nĩ ireza Kariuki wa Ithira areretwo o ta ciana iria ingĩ nĩ cũcũ wao Joyce Bithe Kariuki arĩ mwathĩki mũno na gũteithania mawĩra ma mũciĩ. Gĩthomo mwendo nĩ ireza Kariuki wa Ithira ambĩrĩirie gĩthomo gĩake cukuru-inĩ wa Nyamweru Primary School mwaka-inĩ wa 2001 na akĩrĩkia kĩrathi gĩa kanana mwaka-inĩ wa 2014. Nĩ acokire akĩingĩra cukuru-inĩ wa Nyamweru Secondary mwaka-inĩ wa 2015. Ũtongoria-inĩ wa mũtigaire Principal Mũthigari Simon Ng'ang'a nĩ acokire agĩka kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE na akĩhĩtũka na grade ya B minor, ũndũ ũrĩa wamũteithirie kũingĩra University ya Kisii mwaka-inĩ wa 2020. Mwaka-inĩ wa 2020 arathomaga nginya hĩndĩ ĩrĩa arahurũkire. Kũrua mwendo nĩ ireza Kariuki wa Ithira nĩ agimanire na ũndũire wa Ũgĩkũyũ mwaka-inĩ wa 2014 na rika rĩa Therĩ Njegũ. Kanitha mwendo nĩ ireza Kariuki wa Ithira nĩ aingĩrire kanitha-inĩ wa St Charles Rwanga Gĩthirioni na akĩbatithio Dithemba 31 mwaka-inĩ wa 2011 na agĩcoka akĩheo ũmĩrĩria kũrĩ mweri 15 wa ĩtandatũ mwaka-inĩ wa 2014. Ararĩ mũrũmĩrĩri mũrũmu wa kanitha wa Gathoreki na gĩkundi kĩa yuthi gĩa kanitha ũcio. Rĩrĩa ararĩ cukuru nĩ arakoragwo mũmemba wa kwaya ya kanitha. Ndwari mwendo nĩ ireza Kariuki wa Ithira nĩ aiguire ũru mwĩrĩ na akĩguthũkio thibitarĩ ya Kiambu Level 5 Hospital kũrĩ mũthenya wa Monday ya mweri 15 mweri wa 7 mwaka-inĩ wa 2025. Mathaa-inĩ ma thinacara hwaĩ-inĩ arahurũkire ena ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 25 years. Nĩ Ngai waheanire Kariuki wa Ithira na nowe wacokera rĩtwa rĩa Ngai witũ rĩrogocwo.
Thank you, Muthoni wa Rugano. Photo of thanks. Na kwa ruhusa ya Father. Na Andu kuna watu wamefika lakini hawataongea. Content creators. Kehejo wako wapi? Na hao wakionyeshana MC Kogi acio magĩũka nĩ tũkweheria nĩ ũndũ wa tribute cia family arĩa marathoma tribute cia family moke haha na ihenya. MC Kogi nĩ okire twambe tũthome tribute nĩguo makorwo mebanga acio.
Pedro Mobo, together in prayers, all protocols observed. Good afternoon. I'm Elizabeth Wabonyokabi, and I'm going to read the tributes of Mom to KK. From the very moment I had you in my arms, I knew you were destined to be special. You brought light into my life in a way that word cannot fully express. Watching you grow from a playful curious boy into a bold, creative and kind young man was the greatest joy of my life. KK, you are just not my son, you are my friend, my laughter, my pride. You had a heart full of love and a spirit that lifted those around you. Your gift of making people smile, from making even strangers feel seen and heard, was truly rare. Even as I sit here with a heart broken by your absence, I'm so proud of the man you became. You used your voice and your talent to touch life far and wide. You lived with your purpose, with passion, and with a joy that was contagious. I miss you every second. The silence is loud without your voice. But I hold on to your memories, the warmth of your hug, the sparkle in your eyes when you are excited about a new idea, and the sound of your laughter filling our home. Rest well, my son. You ran your race with grace and left footprints on many hearts. I will love you always, and I will carry your light in mine until we meet again. With all my love, Mom.
Ũrĩa ũrathoma handũ ha siblings, ũrĩa anasoma
my son KK. My son KK, you brought pride to my heart and joy to our home. Watching you grow into the man you are, watching you grow into the man you became was a blessing beyond words. You lived with purpose, loved fully, and made us all proud. I will miss you every day, but I thank God for the time we shared. Rest well, my son.
Siblings, you are more than just our brother. You are our guide, our joy, and our constant source of pleasure. Life with you was full of unforgettable moments, inside jokes, and deep conversation that made us feel seen and loved. Your creativity and passion lit up every space you entered. You never did anything halfway, whether it was your contact, your friendships, or your love for us. You gave your whole heart. We are grateful for the time we had with you. We will miss you after. Your glowed spirit and the way you always made us to chase our dreams fearlessly. Even though you are no longer with us physically, your light continues to shine on our lives. We carry your memory in all that we do. Rest well, our brother and friends. Until we meet again, we all our love, your siblings.
KK, you are our force, creative, genuine, and full of life. You inspire us to dream bigger, create fearlessly, and stay true to ourselves. In every live, every sketch, every laugh, you left your mark. You aren't just a content creator, you are a brother, a mentor, and a friend. We will miss you deeply, but your voice and vision will live on through all of us. Rest in peace.
Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Karibu.
We may not be able to accommodate everyone. Kwa hivyo wale wanakuja kusema kuna mtu fulani, wale wanataka kuongea, tafadhali, we are out of time. Kwa hivyo tumekubali mmekuja kushirikiana na sisi, mkubali na tumekubali mmekuja, na Mungu awabariki.